Hey guys, so this is like my third time trying to film this intro. This is like ridiculous. I have no log. The footage either gets lost or I just accidentally deleted. So anyways, long story short, third time is a charm, and let's get to the video. So this video is going to be about my home whitening system. So I was recently contacted by Smile Brilliant representative. So we have it right here, which is home whitening system, and it's a professional whitening system. This is basically what you get at your dentist's office, but for like a quarter of a cost, if even, because I know my dentist charges $500 to whiten your teeth, and then I've heard that people pay $700 for it, so it can be very expensive. And I wanted to do that for a while though, because I drink a lot of coffee and tea and my teeth do tend to get stained. I try to do a little bit of home remedies like baking soda or activated charcoal, but it's not the same. And the reason why I cannot use Crest whitening strips is because my teeth are extremely sensitive. Like they get so painful even after 2 whitening sessions, and I break them up. I don't do them back to back. So when I was contacted by this representative from Smile Brilliant, she was like, we can give you a kit and then we can give away a kit to your subscribers, you know, like do a giveaway on my channel in exchange for a video. So I said, of course, I'm like definitely willing to try it out, but I did say that my teeth are so sensitive that I don't know if I can take it. I don't know if I'll be a good candidate for a video like that. And she said, don't worry, we have like the special gel that you apply afterwards and it should desensitize your teeth. So she was really nice, very supportive. And so that's what happened. I actually ended up having no sensitivity. I've done 7 sessions, maybe 6 or 7 sessions. And I've applied that gel after each session and I had 0. I have 0 sensitivity. And so I know that the way it works is the more frequently you do it and the longer you leave the gel on is going to give you better results. I'm doing it like I'm spreading it out every 2 to 3 days, and then I only leave it up to an hour. They say you can leave it up to 3 hours. You know, if you really want to get quick results, then you do it like every day and leave it up to 3 hours, and then your teeth are gonna get pearly white. The reason why I'm so impressed with this system is because they actually give you a customized tray. So they literally send you a customized tray. You get to make it, you get to mold your teeth, and then you send your mold away, and then they send you your customized trays back, which is great. But anyways, you guys, at the end of this video, you're gonna have a giveaway. You're gonna get to one of you is going to get this home whitening system, which is great. So be sure to stick to the end of this video. So my battery went dead and I had to pop in another battery. But anyways, as I was saying, I might have a few clips left, which I will insert of my tray making, and you can see how quick the process is. But overall, I'm very pleased with my experience. I would definitely recommend this to you guys. You know I wouldn't recommend anything I don't say. Usually those words I would recommend unless I truly believe in the product. And so far I've tested it out on myself and I am in love with it. I will continue using it. I already have some awesome birthday gift planned for my husband and my sister, because they already said that they really want that system, whitening system, and I am happy to give it to them. Alright, so that's what we have right here. That's the impression of my teeth. I'm just going to let it sit a little bit longer until it's completely hard, and then I will take it off this tray. Well, actually, I don't think I have to. I can just like put that tray inside the envelope and send it to them. So I'll repeat the process for my bottom teeth. Alright, so let's put everything in the envelope. Oh, I also have to, I know I have to fill this part out as well, so I'm gonna do that off camera. And then this is just the instructions on how to, once you get your tray, on how to whiten your teeth. So we're gonna just put everything in, and hopefully I'll get my trays soon. Alright guys, so I just want to demonstrate how I use this. It's super easy to use, just so you know. It's the little box that contains my trays right here. Super nice, and you get to keep it nice and sanitary. These are the two syringes I got, the one that whitens your teeth and the one that actually desensitizes your teeth. So be sure if you have sensitive teeth to let them know that fact. And so they will send you this nice desensitizing gel along with it that you put right after you use this whitening gel. So what I do is I grab my tray, I open the syringe. As you can see, mine is like halfway down. So I've used this for about three or four times. I can't really remember. And honestly, I already see results. I don't know about you guys, but my teeth were getting to be a little yellow lately, and I'm like, okay, it's time to change it. And luckily that's when they contacted me. So I'm like, you know what, I'm doing this. Let's get this. I've never had any professional whitening done, and I really wanted it for a while. So I'm like, why not? I'm gonna do it. Basically what you do is you just apply a little bit of that gel on your tray, and there are directions they say in like the midsection of the front of the tray, basically. So when you put it in like that, it kind of covers your teeth. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. And then you press in. Now, they say if there's any residual gel that's coming out of the tray, like into your mouth, to wipe it with a cotton tip or something. Yeah, I don't feel any going on right now, going out, so I don't have to worry about that. And then I just take my other tray for the bottom teeth, do the same thing, apply a little bit, but make sure that it's covering the surface area. Just like a line, I mean just a line in the front half, middle section of your tray. I don't know if you probably cannot see where I put the gel, but we're gonna do that. Down and press it in like that. You're gonna sound funny, but you can still go on and do your things. Like, it doesn't really bother me at all. It used to, when I used to put a little too much of this, it would come out and it just doesn't taste too good, so it's like have to wipe it out. But other than that, if you're getting pretty good at this, you just apply as much as necessary, then nothing will come out, and you will be able to just go ahead about your business after what, like 30 seconds or so of applying it. So very easy to use. They recommend 40 minutes or longer. It depends. If you have sensitive teeth, you might want to use it for a little bit less than 40 minutes. Alright guys, as for giveaway, all you have to do is just enter down below that you do want to enter, and that's it. That's as easy as it gets. It will last 2 weeks, and then I will just randomly select a winner, and then I'll definitely need your contact information, shipping information to give to the company so they can ship you the kit that you are going to get. Alright guys, so you can I'll list the exact price for this below, and I think they sent me like a coupon code or something. I've never done that before, so I will definitely check and read that email over again, and I will link the or put the coupon code down below if there is one. You know, so if there's any percentage off that you can get, then I hope, you know, I'm definitely gonna make sure that I include that in there so you guys can get that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you later. Bye.